Hello beautiful people, it's Lexi G. Welcome back to my room reveal. I'm sweating so much. It's like 1,000 degrees, which is like 95 in San Diego. It's like 90. So in total, this project took us about 3 weeks, and I'm not gonna lie, the past week I have been slacking a lot, mostly because, well, I don't really have a reason. I just haven't been feeling it. But I am really happy with the outcome. I wanted it to be a very peaceful, serene place, and it is, to my standards. One of the biggest projects was the rope hanging shelf. If you're interested in seeing how I made the rope hanging shelf, I'll devote a whole video to that, so comment below if you want to see that. Otherwise, like the video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
So my plan was to have these 3 pictures hung above the headboard. A few mistakes were made, okay, but I'm not a professional. I've never claimed to be. So the first mistake, which I'll show you right now, I spray painted the frames white. They were originally black, but they didn't exactly turn out white. I think I need to do another coat, so I'm planning on doing that tomorrow. I'll give you guys an update next week. And then additionally, the prints are taking forever because of everything that's going on. So I have ordered all 3 of them from Costco, but they won't be here until next week. And then I just made them 3 different levels because why not, you know?
So this was our finished product. It's not perfect, as you can see, but it's not like it's for a client or anything. It's just for me. Also, we did measure what halfway between the ceiling and this shelf would be, but because not all my things are the same size, I might have something taller and then something shorter, we decided to just put it at 3/4.